How to change your profile picture on your Roblox account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change the profile picture of your Roblox account. So first of all, open your Roblox app on your mobile device and then make sure you are logged into your Roblox account. Now once you've made sure you are logged into your Roblox account, your home page will look somewhat like this, where if you want to change your profile picture, most of the people may go to their username right over here. And now once you're on this page, if you scroll down there, you won't find any option on how you can change your profile picture. So what you can do to change your profile picture is, once you're on the home page of the main Roblox app, on the bottom side of the screen you can basically see 5 options. Tap on the middle one which shows your profile picture. Now it will take you to the avatar page, where if you look closely right over here, you can see the option edit profile picture. So simply tap on it, and now you can choose an emote to pose your avatar. So these are the 4 free avatars, and if you want to buy, you can also buy them using Robux. And now let's say this is the pose you want. After that, tap on next, and now it will provide you with basically 2 options. You can either zoom in or zoom out your profile picture, and you can also rotate them. So you can choose how you want your profile picture to be seen by others. And now once you've done positioning, simply tap on next, which is in the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, it will show you a preview of your profile picture and what it is going to look like. Now once you're okay with that, simply tap on save. And there you have it. You have successfully changed the profile picture of your Roblox account. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.